it with a knife. So this is where the garlic is going to settle, right there, and then I'm gonna fill this container with water, and then I wait for around 2 weeks to see if it's going to generate. So of course I'm going to try to see whether I can remove the covers just to expose the garlic seeds more. So once I dip this whole portion of garlic into the water, so every seed, these are the seeds, every seeds are going to grow. So whereby I'm going to remove one seed and plant it in my carton over there. So it's better to expose the seeds to pave way for growth. Something like this. Apologies, I don't have a holder, a camera holder which could at least record a good video. So once that is done, we trim the tips of each garlic, like that, like that, like that, like that, and that. So this is well trimmed, as you can see, and now at least we have how many seeds. Now there is one remaining here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 12 seeds. So let me do the rest, the other one. Do the same on the other one. So guys, correct me on the video. Was I supposed to use the local garlic? Oh, this is okay. I'm a practical person, and I like testing things myself before taking them to the farm. My daughter likes watching and learning what I'm doing. She likes learning by watching from me. She's still learning on how to talk. That's why you can hear murmuring. She has something in her mouth. So I'm going to cut each piece, each seed. like this. I learned this from YouTube. I haven't seen any local person who is just showing us on how to do these things. I wish people could stop being mean with the information and just telling us to go and buy seeds without showing us on how to do it ourselves. So what is going to happen is we're going to get around how many garlic plants here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Still 11. You find that the local garlic has they are very small and they are very like malnutrition. I don't know what's happening with the current Kenyan farmers, and I'm not sure whether this thing is going to grow, because I'm not sure of what kind of drying the guys used to dry this garlic. But let me test. If it doesn't grow, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna repeat the same process with the local garlic. Maybe see whether I can source it from a certified garlic farmer and try the same. But let's opt for the best. So I got a lot of things I'm testing. There is onion here. I'll show you guys why I'm testing it. I'm sure you got a lot of questions. This is just a lost flower, and right there, some videos for another day. I'm testing purples and some lemon trees. So don't go away, keep watching as I show you I'm going to do this. So I have already filled the container with water. I'm going to place this on there and the other one right there. So the purpose of this video is just to see, just to fast track the germination of the seedlings. I mean germination of the garlics seeds, and right after these are germinated, then we're going to move this into this. After that is after filling it with soil, manure mixed with manure. So 2 weeks we see the results. After 2 weeks they don't germinate or regrow, then we test the local garlic. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe. Thank you.